In this lesson, we will learn about the word family in. Come on, let's get started. Now that we know what sound each letter makes, we can start combining the letters to make words. When we combine the letter I with the letter N, it makes a in sound. Can you try making that sound? In. Well done. Let's take a look at some words that end with I-N. B-E-N. B-E-N. Bin. Pa-E-N. Pa-E-N. Pin. Ta-E-N. Ta-E-N. Tin. Now the next word is a little bit more tricky because it also has a blended sound. When we combine the letter C with the letter H, together they make a blended sound that sounds like cha. Can you try making that sound? Cha, cha. Good job. So let's try sounding out this word. Cha-e-n. Cha-e-n. Chin. Fa-e-n. Fa-e-n. Fin. Wa-e-n. Wa-e-n. Win. Let's read a story together. Keep a lookout for all of the words that end with in. The little fin. A little bin. A little fin. I see a little bin. I see a little fin. I see a little fin in the little bin. Let's take a look at the in words again. This time I would like you to try to sound them out. That's right, that spells bin. Tin. Pin. You got it. This was a tricky one. Chin. Well done. F-I-N spells fin. Win. You did so well. You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that in words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with in.